take a bit of time for the Catholic Church to say sorry to Galileo? I mean, it was John Paul in the 1990s.
That's right. Yes, it did take quite a while.
Report from Alex Strangeways Booth to reflect on all that by joined by Chris French, Professor of Psychology at Goldsmith College and Head of the Animalistic Psychology Unit, Eugene Nagasawa, Professor of Philosophy at Birmingham University and author of Miracles, a very short introduction. Morning to you both.
Good morning.
Good morning. I'd like to ask both of you which of the where you find yourselves on this question yourselves, whether you're in the 62% who believe that miracles are still possible. Professor Nagasawa?
So I think the finding